This Temu Cleaning Mop might look tempting, but I would not treat the main product photo as proof by itself. The search intent is simple. People want to know if this is worth buying or a cheap mistake. For this other item, I would check three things before buying. First, whether the listing shows the real size and material. Second, whether buyer photos match the promise. And third, whether low-star reviews repeat the same complaint. Quick question before the buyer photos. Comment your country and the clean buyer test is this. If the review photos prove the exact use case, it can still be interesting. If the listing only has polished images and vague claims, I would wait or compare it against an Amazon listing with clearer reviews. My verdict is only if the price is genuinely cheap enough to justify the risk. Based on the listing and review signals, not a hands-on test, I would only buy it if the product page clears those checks.